Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making melt in your mouth Turkish cookies. They are buttery, nutty and coated with delicious toppings. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 130 grams of softened butter and 55 grams of icing sugar. Next add 25 grams of sesame seeds, 60 grams of cornstarch and 83 grams of chopped walnuts. Next add 1 packet of vanilla sugar for that extra flavor. Finally add the all-purpose flour and the baking powder. Now mix everything well together using your hands and knead a soft dough. Now take small portions of dough and roll them into balls, or you can shape them however you like. Finally place them on a baking tray lined with the parchment paper. Now use a fork to gently press down on each cookie, creating a simple yet elegant pattern. This helps them bake evenly and gives them a classic look. Finally bake them in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes or until they turn lightly golden. Once baked and cooled, it's time to decorate the cookies. Dip them in melted chocolate and then sprinkle with pistachio powder or shredded coconut for an extra touch of flavor and elegance. And that's it, our delicious Turkish cookies are ready. They are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside and full of nutty goodness. Give this recipe a try and let me know how you liked it in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time. Happy baking!